Well, Jim, it looks to be an historic time in the Gulf of Mexico. Never have there been two hurricanes in the Gulf of Mexico at the same time. We may even have two tropical storms and one hurricane. We'll just have to wait and see. But we have Tropical Depression number 14, also Tropical Storm Laura. More on this system in just a bit, impacting the Northeast Caribbean this afternoon and this evening. And then Tropical Depression number 14, which is expected to become Tropical Storm Marco later on this evening, perhaps as soon as the 7 p.m. advisory. We'll have to wait and see on that. They may hold off until 10 to see how things go. But nonetheless, this storm barely clips the Yucatan, heads across the Gulf of Mexico, has potential to become a hurricane, making landfall somewhere along the mid to upper Texas coast as we get into Tuesday. But this means some sort of elevated tides and some tropical rain bands possibly into our part of the world, certainly southwest Louisiana. And then we're going to have Laura on its heels that's going to be racing across the islands in the Caribbean. We don't know what's going to happen as it interacts with those islands, but nonetheless, models indicate intensification on this system and maybe even stronger than a Category 1 storm. And new today, this cone has shifted farther to the west, putting Acadiana at risk down the line as well. So we're going to have more on these systems and potential impacts. So we'll do our best guessing coming up in just a bit. But if you like today's weather, you're going to like tomorrow's weather. Nice and quiet temperatures, lower 90s after a morning start near 70. Sunday looking pretty good as well, but next week it's a party in the hurricane world or tropical world, starting late Monday and continuing through Thursday. We'll talk more about that coming up in just a bit.